Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make this bomb smoothie, guys. This has been my new obsession as of recently, and I also get my protein intake as well, so why not? It is, I would say, more so like a little snack, like a little milkshake kind of. Definitely something good to drink right after the gym. If you want like, a little snack afterwards, that's what I usually do. But first I'm starting off with getting my Biscoff butter, the cookie butter. And I'm just putting in like 1 or 2 scoops in there. And I'm gonna melt this in a microwave for about 20 seconds. You don't want to leave it in for longer than 30 seconds because I'm gonna be using this to kind of line my cup with it to make sure it's nice and cute, but also have the cookie butter lined up on the cup. Right now, the first thing you want to do is put some unsweetened almond milk in your blender. So that's probably enough. I'm only making a smoothie for myself today. And then I'm gonna also add a scoop of that cookie butter inside the milk as well, like inside the smoothie. It's gonna taste so good, y'all. If you guys try this, definitely comment down below and let me know, okay? Let me know how it tastes. Next, I'm getting the Biscoff, the actual Biscoff cookie, and I'm gonna take 2 of those cookies and, well, am I taking 2 or 1? Let's see. Okay, so I did take 2. I'm gonna take 2 of those cookies and crush them up inside that blender. And then I'm gonna take another 2 cookies and add them to a Ziploc bag and smash it up. And this is gonna be the topping for my smoothie. Alright, so after you're done crushing that up, put that to the side, and I'm also going to get some graham crackers. This is an essential, guys. Like, you need to add the graham crackers. Like, it gives it such a good taste. So I'm going to add 1 whole graham cracker into the mixture. And I think I also got like another half too, because I really want to taste the graham cracker flavor. So that's like 1.5 graham crackers in there. And this is my cookie butter all melted. I did melt it a little bit too much, so it was a little too runny. So make sure that you don't go over 30 seconds, guys. Make sure it's like 20 seconds so that it can be able to just lay on the side of the cup and not like run down the cup, if that makes sense. But you just want to get a spoon and just create like little designs on your cup, like little swoops, so that you can be able to taste the cookie butter when the smoothie goes into the cup. Then the remainder cookie butter, I just put the rest of that right back into the blender because we're not wasting anything, okay? So we're gonna throw that right into the blender. Next, we're gonna add the secret ingredient, the main ingredient, which is the protein powder. So I use the gold standard 100% whey protein powder. And I just, oh, this is the vanilla ice cream flavor, by the way. And I use only 1 scoop for 1 smoothie. If you're making 2 smoothies, obviously add like 2 scoops in there. But yeah, I added 1 scoop. And I also added some frozen bananas that I pre-froze already. So you want to get your frozen bananas. You want to make sure that they're frozen, not regular bananas, because the frozen is what's going to make the smoothie nice and thick and actually cold, right? So, and then I also added like a couple of ice cubes into my smoothie, just to make sure that it's nice and thick and cold. So I'm going to blend all that up together. Blend, blend, blend. It's gonna be so good, y'all. Y'all need to try this. Like, try it like today or tomorrow. And if you're enjoying this video, definitely hit that subscribe button down below, guys, so that you can be notified when I post another video. But the smoothie is complete. I kind of go through and I like mix together whatever chunks or anything that is in there to make sure everything is nice and blended thoroughly. And then I'm just gonna blend it one more time, and then after that, like a couple seconds, it should be done. All right, smoothie is complete. Now we're gonna add that to the cup that we lined earlier. And I also got these cups from Walmart, if you guys were wondering. So I think you can also get them from Amazon. Just a recommendation, if you do get the cups, make sure it's the chunky straws, because I got the regular straws, but the chunky straws are better just to like get all that Biscoff into your straw. So definitely recommend that. I added the crumbs on top, covered it up, and the smoothie is complete, y'all. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna give it a little taste test for you guys. All right, taste test. Yep, 10 out of 10, y'all. 10 out of 10. I'll have all the ingredients that I use listed down below if you guys are interested. But yeah, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.